Hello friends, welcome to my channel Being Chemistrian. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start.
Now we will solve another question of CSR Net June 2018. A compound show following spectral data, that is 1H NMR. They have given 5 values. The correct structure of the compound is. So one of the compound will be correct answer for this spectral data. They have also mentioned mass spectrometry data, but I have not shown here because I have not discussed yet the mass spectrometry. We can solve this problem 1H NMR data alone. That's why I have not mentioned the mass spectrometry data. So how to solve this problem? Now if you see the chemical shift values, these two are coupling partners. 7.92 Hz doublet and 6.62 Hz doublet, these two are coupling partners. How we know that? Because of this J value. The J values are equal, 8 Hz, 8 Hz. Now if you see the 4.32 Hz quadrate and 1.43 Hz triplet, these two are J value 6 Hz. That means these two are coupling partners. Coupling partners means they are adjacent to each other. Now we have two type of protons in aromatic region. Now we will check one by one how many type of protons in my aromatic region. So if you see in the compound A, there are two type of protons. These two will give one signal, these two will give another signal. Now if you see in this molecule, these two will give one signal and these two will give another signal. In compound C, we have 4 signal in aromatic region. This is a different proton, this is also different, this is also different, and this is also a different proton. And for the compound D, this is different, this is different, this is different, this is different. So from the chemical shift values given, two chemical shift values are given, we can eliminate this option C and D. Now what we can do, we can compare A and B. So this 7.9, that means there must be some electron density withdrawing group are in my benzene ring, and 6.6 means there are some group which are donating to the benzene ring. So we have two groups simultaneously attached to the benzene ring. If you see this, these are electron withdrawing group. There is some electron donation, but oxygen is more electronegative. So this will electron withdrawing also, electron donating also, but donation is that much, not that much good. So if you see in this molecule, the nitrogen, this is good electron donating group as compared to oxygen, and this is good electron withdrawing group also. We know this is carbonyl group. So if you see this NH2 group, this will donate, and the ortho carbon will be electron density in that area will be rich. So this will resonate at 6.6 2 hydrogen doublet, and this will resonate at 7.9 2 hydrogen doublet. So the option A will be the correct answer. Now if you see the 4.32 hydrogen quadrate, that will be these 2 hydrogen, and 1.43 hydrogen triplet, that will be this 3 hydrogen, and 4.02 hydrogen D2 exchangeable, that is NH2 proton. So this much is enough for this question. And now we will see the next question. Now we will do another problem, that is the correct match of proton in column A with the 1H NMR chemical shift in column B for the product of the following reaction is. So this question is asked in CSR Net June 2018. So they have given two columns. They have mentioned the proton, this is proton A, proton B, and this is 1 to 7. So in column 1, they have given PQRS, and P correspond to HA, Q correspond to HP, R H 1 and 7 only, and S correspond to H 2 to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to 6. So given the corresponding chemical shift values. So now our job is to which proton will have which chemical shift value. We have to match the column. So based on that, they have given 4 possible options. So this is well-known reaction when the cyclooctatetraene react with acid, it get converted into a homoaromatic compound. So in aromatic or homoaromatic, the inner region will be shielding region and outer region will be de-shielding region. So whenever the proton comes in contact with this inner core, that will be shielded and outer protons will be de-shielded. So if you see the HB, this proton will be shielded because it is towards the inner ring current, that is inner region, that is shielding region. And if you see the HA, this is out of the plane, which is you can see in this figure, this is sp3 hybridized and not influenced by this inner electrons or shielding region, that is towards de-shielding region, but not that much in which are this proton resonate, that will some less value because these are attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom and these are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this will resonate at much more higher value, that is 8.5, and this 1 to 7, this will resonate at 6.4 because of some sp3 hybridized character in these two carbons. So if you match this column 1 and column 2, option A will be the correct answer. For P, HA, that will be 5.1. For Q, HB, that will be highest negativity, that is minus 0.3. And for R, that is 3, you can see 6.4, R means 1 and 7. And for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S, that will be 8.5. So option A will be the correct answer.
Now we will see the next question, that is, among the bicyclo 330 octane diones given below, which one will exhibit 5 signal in the broadband decoupled 13C NMR spectrum? So they have given 4 compounds which will give 5 signals in the broadband decoupled 13C NMR, we have to tell. So if you see the compound A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again I will count 5 for this and 3 for this. So we will have 8 signal in 13C NMR because there is no plane of symmetry in this molecule. Now if you see in this molecule, there is a plane of symmetry like this and like this. So we will have 1, 2, 3 carbon NMR signal in the 13 NMR spectrum. If you pass a axis through the center and rotate the molecule 180 degree perpendicular to plane, we will pass a axis and rotate the molecule. So if you rotate the molecule into 180 degree, this carbonyl will come to this position and this carbonyl will come to this position, and this hydrogen will change into this hydrogen and this hydrogen will come to this hydrogen. This carbon will come into this position and this carbon will goes to that position. So interchange will be takes place by rotation of 180 degree. So if you check, this rotation will be change these 2 hydrogen. So we will count only 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will have 4 signal for this compound. So we have only one option, that is option D. So if you calculate, there is a plane of symmetry like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will have 5 signal in proton decoupled C13 NMR spectrum. So option D will be the correct answer. Now come to the next question. The proton decoupled 13C NMR spectrum of bicyclooctane exhibit only 2 signals, the structure of the compound each. Now if you see the option A, there is a plane of symmetry like this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 3. This is not the answer. There is a plane of symmetry like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not the answer. So there is a plane of symmetry passing through like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not the answer. So remain is option D, because there is a plane of symmetry like this and this. There is a plane of symmetry like this also. So we will have, for all the CH2 we will have one signal, and for this 2 CH2 we will have another signal. So we will have total 2 signal for this molecule. Option D will be the correct answer.